Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a hanging indent word. Let's open our Word document. By doing so, select the text where the indentation will go. After that, click on the paragraph settings. In this pop-up window in the indentation section, in Special, you are going to select the option Hanging. Click on OK to see it applied to the selected text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.